में अंतर्वृत्ति उत्पन्न नहीं हुआ, इस पर बताएं। दोनों प्रकार की साधन ही इस ग्रंथ से जो है अनुशीलन कर सकते हैं। इसी षष्ठजाम साधन की करना सायंकालीन भजन भाव जिसमें सिद्धि के बाह्य लक्षण और शिक्षास्त्र के स्पष्ट श्लोक में वर्णन किया। पुरार्पे निजितं बहु पदापदो नाम ग्रहणे
symptoms. Hare Krishna. So as we were hearing from yesterday and for last few days, that what are the internal symptoms of Rati? Saharda. So there are three internal systems. And the external system, Shanti, Ashabandha, Samatkuntha, Nagani, Sadaruchi. So there are 9 external symptoms of Rati. So when Bhav manifests in the heart of Sadhak, so he has this kinds of quality like Shanti, forgiveness, Avartakala, he doesn't waste his time. He doesn't waste his time in sense enjoyments. He always engages his mind in the Krishna Katha and Krishna name. He always utilizes his time in Krishna Katha and Krishna name. And the Virakti, Manashunyata, Ashabandhu, Samatkuntha, Namgane Sadaruchi, Asakti Tadagunanuvakya, Tadabasati, Sthala, Priti. So these are the 9 symptoms, external symptoms was telling about. Especially so we heard about the prayers of Vrittasura. So Vrittasura is praying before the Bhagwan. He is praying beautifully before the Bhagwan. He got the demon's body still. So he had the previous last birth impression. Chitraketu. So who was he in the last birth? He was Chitraketu Maharaj. So we had heard about the story of Chitraketu Maharaj yesterday. That how he was so much sorrow of his son's death. Then Angira Rishi, Narad Rishi came to them by the mercy of Angira and Narad Rishi. So he gave up the sorrow of his son's death, and he think that it is anitya. This is temporary. This word is temporary, anitya. So thinking that this word is temporary, he gave up everything, and he started performing bhajan sadhana in one point in the lonely places. So after that he took the initiation from Sankarshan, and he took the mantra from Sankarshan, and then at least he himself he seated on the transcendental chariot and wandering here and everywhere, visiting everywhere. So after visiting everywhere, he went to Kailash, and then So he met with his guru brother, god brother Shivji, where Shivji was giving Hari Katha on taking Parvati on her lap, on his lap, and after that Parvati, he was laughing, joking with Shivji, and he said to Shivji that this is not a good behavior, that you shouldn't do Hari Katha like this, that you are carrying your wife on your lap and then you are saying Hari Katha. It's not right. This is not the right behavior. So baby Parvati was angry that time, and she cursed King Chitraketu. You don't know my husband is Uttam Mahabhagvat. So he is Devadi Dev. So Mahadev, he is Uttam Bhagavad. So there is no restrictions for Uttam Mahabhagavad. So my husband, you have doubt, and you said bad words to my husband. You criticized my husband. So now you will get the demon body. So I am getting you cursed. So Chitraketu Maharaj accept the curse. He was very humbly accepted the curse of Parvati. Even he was all kinds of powerful. He have all the qualities that he can refuse the curse and get back. But still, maybe he can give back curse back to Parvati, but he was. So he accepted the curse of Devi Parvati very humbly, and he got the demon body. So then, he manifested. He appeared from the fire, where when Vishwarup was doing the yagya fire sacrifices, he appeared from there. So by the tune of the mantra was little bit different. Indra Shatru Vivardasate. So that's why he appeared from the fire. Indra Shatru Vivardasya. So Indra Shastru, the enemy of the Indra, will be destroyed. But the pronunciation of the tune of the mantra was different, little bit different. It's up and down. So that's why Vivardasya. So the Indra Shastrus manifested. So Bitrasur appeared from the fire. He was so powerful, so much powerful. He has a huge body, a big body. So Indra and other devtas were so much scared. All the weapons will got refuses that time. At that last, what happened? Dadichi Muni gave him a weapons which is made by his own bones, and then after that, Vritrasur was killed by that. So by the weapons which is made by the Dadichi Rishi's bones, so he killed by that weapons. Indra killed to Vritrasur, and then he did the study of Bhagwan. He recited 4 shlokas. Where this shlok is very much famous. Ajat, where Gopi Bhav is also indicated here. Especially Parkya Bhav is also Parkya Gopi Bhav. Speciality is showing this shloka. Ajat Pakshita Matram Vada. Six 11:26. whose lotus eyes one
सुंदर
as baby words. It's just like his eyes is just like a lotus.
आप मुझे दर्शन प्रदान करें।
Please give me your darshan.
कैसे?
How?
ये आपके दर्शन के लिए मेरा मन बहुत उत्सुक
I am too much eager to visit your take your darshan.
जिस प्रकार उत्कंठा के यहाँ पर जो दे रहे हैं,
Just like there are three.
पदार्थ पक्षी और मात्रा में खड़ा।
So the eagerness is showing here like
छोटे-छोटे बच्चे
a lotus one-eyed as a baby birds that have not yet developed their wings.
अंडे से मानो
So he just came out from the egg,
और उनकी माँ
and her mother
दाना चुनने के लिए कहीं चली गई।
for searching. He has gone somewhere for searching the food, and the little babies are doing.
भूख से और चींची
So they are hungry. That the little birds they are hungry and doing chi 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 chi. So they are calling their mother. They are remembering their mother. That man mother will come and feed us.
दाना आदि लेकर के आदि और उनसे खिलाएं। और दूसरी उदाहरण दिया
And the second example was giving there is a cow and the calves.
गोधन काल तक
So at the time of Godhan when
छोड़ने के समय आ जाता है
when the
जैसे
milk was taken from the cow breast, so in that calves was tied with the cow.
उसी प्रकार मेरे
So in this way my mind is eager, too much eager. And the third example was lover and beloved.
प्रियताओं एक दूसरे के साथ मिलने के लिए
So just like a lover and beloved, so much eager towards meeting each other.
पिता प्रिया स्वयं भगवान
So Bhagwan himself indicating to the gopis and targeting to gopis. Bhagwan is saying why just like that the husbands of a gopis went away somewhere,
अपने पतिदेव की
so they always
चिंतन आदि कर
think about their husband. When husbands gone out somewhere, so they always remember their husbands in this way.
पतिदेव की मिलन के लिए करुणा
So they are so much eager towards meeting with their husbands.
उसी प्रकार
In this way,
प्राण प्रियतम ये कृष्ण मेरे मन उसी प्रकार उत्पत्ति
so hey Krishna, my mind is also eager, too much eager like that.
अधिकारी
So Vishwanath Chakravarti Parth is saying here.
ये अजात पक्ष मानव वित्रासुर
So Vitras was saying. So first he is giving the example of the so little birds.
उड़ने वाले हम कहते हैं उड़ने वाले
So there is the wings. They have the wings, but they cannot fly.
पक्षी सालों की भांति मेरा मन
So my mind is so much eager like a little baby birds. So Vitras was saying it is not it's not worthy for me. It's not I am because there is a selfishness.
क्या स्वार्थ है
Because what is this selfishness is there
पक्षी सालों
that the words
मेरी बात
that the baby birds
माँ की चिंतन करें
are thinking about their mother. They are saying chi chi. There are two reasons.
एक भूख के लिए
First, they are hungry,
है और दूसरी क्या
and
है
the second one,
माँ घुसले में नहीं है
and because mother is not in the nest, so maybe so another birds can came and kill them.
मार ना डाले इसलिए वो भयभीत हो
So they are so much afraid of this. That's why.
भयभीत होने के नाते
So first they are hungry, and the second they are afraid that somebody came and killed them. So that's why they are doing the sound chi 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 chi. So this is the selfishness nature. So this is not capable or right for me. So that's why. So he has refused that.
दूसरी ये भी
Second example was given
ये देखो पक्षी साथ
that I told you yesterday one thing that Pakshi, because she is not giving the food from her body. So whatever she is feeding to the baby birds, she is not feeding from her body. She is taking from someone else and then feeding.
उसके उससे क्या होता है
So what happened when
ना प्रेम की
there is love is not developed? There is no increment of love.
प्रति उसमें नहीं जाता
there's a lacking of love. So that's why it was saying, so that example is not suitable for us. And the second example was giving the cow and the calves. The cow is feeding his calves by his milk, so it is a little bit greater than the baby birds. Just like the calves, little calves. So they are hungry and want to take the milk of her mother. So they are so much eager to take the milk. So whole day they have been tied away from the cow. So at the time when the taking milk, at the time of taking milk from the cow, so at that time they they leave the calves to cow. Have you seen at the time of taking milk? So they used to tie the calves with the cow, so that that calves can take the milk of the cow. So they are doing sign, the when calves was tying with the cow, so they give the sound like hamba hamba, so that they feed the milk of their calves. So our Vishnu Chakravarti Pad is saying here, this is not the suitable. Vritas was saying this is not the suitable example for me. It is greater than the baby birds, but it's not suitable for me. Even cow is feeding the calves with her body, feeding the milk from her body, but still it is not suitable for me. There is a selfishness. What is the fault is there? First one is when the calves, when he's taking the milk from her mother, so at the time of after taking the milk, he went away from her mother. And at the time when the next time will come of the taking milk from the cow, so in that time that calves will come to the mother. So there is a selfishness here. So, and the second thing here is when the calves will grow up, so he wants to stay with her mother anymore. He will be away. When the calves will grow up, he won't stay. He won't take the milk of her mother and want to stay with the mother. He will be give up her mother completely. So this is not it's not the eternal relationship. It's there is no eagerness. It is just a selfishness here. So just for taking milks, his calves is coming to the mother. Otherwise, that's why there is a selfishness. So that's why Vittasur is saying that this is not suitable for me. So he's rejected it. And the third example was given was just like a Moor's wife whose husband is away from home, always long for him to return and satisfy her. When husband is went away from any other country, so in that time when the husband went away for any work to any other country, so at the time the wives, so they are thinking about remembering about their husbands. So they are thinking about their sorrowness, happiness, when they will come back. So they are so much observe their mind in the remembrance of husbands. When the husband will come, It has been a long day. It has been a long day passed away. So it has been who is feeding them, who is making the rasoi for kitchen for her. So he is earning money after so hardship. When husband is long so went away, husband is going for another country for earning money. So that's why it says that all the day and night that wife is thinking about, remembering about their husbands. So this is called Swakyat Bhava. But our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, if we Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is talking, he is thinking too much deeply. He is thinking too much deeply and saying Priya and Prita means lover and beloved. Abhivahit, in the Abhivahit on the unmarried stage, when lover and beloved, they wanted to meet each other and so much excited and eager to meet each other. Why? So there is a foundation and restrictions of the society. So that's why. So they have developed the love, but still they didn't got married. So that's why all the society is just like a foundation. So the society is making a restriction for meeting them, because at the unmarried stage they cannot meet each other freely. So that's why both. So they both are too much eager to meet each other. Just like lover and beloved, they are so much eager towards meeting each other spontaneously. They have the so much eagerness spontaneously in their heart for meeting each other in this way. So there are two kinds of meaning: Priyam, Priya, love and beloved. There are two kinds of meaning: Swakatva and Parikatva. So that's why Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying here. So actually Parikatva is also established here with the meaning of lover and beloved. How they were so much eager to meet each other. Just like a lady who is having affair with another person, and whose husband is having affair with another lady, so they are so much eager to meet each other, and they are doing their whole work on homework is very properly. They are doing that. Nobody can understand that they have a love and affection towards another person or another woman. Even at the home, nobody can understand that they have love to another person or another husband. So they used to live at the home very tightly, very loving, affectionately at the home, and they are doing the work of the home very properly, very nicely. So they are just searching for the time, looking for the time that how can I meet with that person? How can I meet with my beloved? When everybody got sleep in a dark sleep, so at that time they both meet in a lonely place. At the time of meeting, so they have so much pleasure at the time, and as well as there are so many kinds of bad thoughts comes in their minds. What kind of that? Somebody can watch us, so this news will be spread in the society, so nobody knows that where is the CCTV are. Today you can see that there are so much CCTVs, you can be caught by everywhere, you don't know. Sometimes in some parks and some gardens, there CCTV is also there. Maybe some thieves and dacoit came there and snatched there. That's why they used to put on CCTV somewhere in the parks. They used to do bad works. They used to take alcohol there. So that's why in the big parks have CCTV. CCTV is also there. And then so your photo will be there. So so nobody knows that in which tree there is a CCTV. So if you are meeting and with your beloved, so maybe your photo will be captured. So that will be the photo will be uploaded in the internet. So if it is the photo is uploaded in the internet, then your life will be destroyed. Is it true or not? Is it true? You can say that I was not there, but every your photos there, your photos are captured there, and you will be caught. Whether you say that I was not there, so this kinds of fear comes in the minds when they are meeting each other. So they have love, but still they have so much restrictions. There are so much obstacles in meeting each other. So that's why they are saying. So they thinking the lonely place at the bank of the rivers, at the bank of the ocean, and maybe somewhere else. And there are many bad thoughts comes in their minds too, because the love. So this is the symptoms. When you have too much affection towards someone, so that's why you will think so much bad thoughts will come in your mind toward that person. If you are loving so much to someone, so you will get so much bad thoughts in their mind, because maybe some bad happening can be happen with that person. Let's suppose Gurudev is giving example here. Maybe there is your son is schooling, and he is in the schools and returning back at the time of 5 o'clock. But the thing is, he didn't come back at the 5. So you are thinking so much bad things. Oh, that he is coming. Why he is not coming back yet? What is the reason behind? Maybe my child got met with an accident. Somebody had kidnapped my child. Maybe he is ill. So where is he? He's fall down somewhere. So that's why many kinds of bad thoughts comes in the mind of that mother. Even again and again she was thinking, and she's calling her child, that where is my child. Even she can go to the police station for reporting. And the child was nowhere. He was playing in the park. Sometimes the boy was so much restless. They were very naughty. So he used to play it for cricket with their friends, and they have put their school bag on the park and used to play there with their friends. Some people used to be like that. Some child used to be like that, very naughty, and their parents are searching their child everywhere. So many kinds of bad thoughts comes in the mind. So it is mentioned in the scriptures, wherever too much love and affection towards someone, so spontaneously the bad thoughts come along in your mind spontaneously. So here it is showing also that when lover and beloved meet each other, so many kinds of bad thoughts comes in their minds. So and sometimes what happens, and lover and beloved, they have given time to someone to meet at the fixed time. So if somebody is not coming at the same time, so what happens, there are many kinds of bad thoughts come. Then what happened to my dear beloved? So now here this example is giving, of Krishna Radha, when there are two kinds of gopis, Swapaksha and Vipaksha. Like suppose Krishna is indicating to Radhaji, oh, today we will meet each other in this kunda, so you will come, please come on that time. How Krishna is indicating? How Krishna is indicating that the Vipaksha gopis like Chandravali and other cannot know about these. So what Krishna does that time? They give the indication that how. What is the indication there? So all the indications can be understood by the Radha Pakshi gopis. Krishna is putting his hand on his hairs, so at that time gopis, Radha's gopis, Pakshi gopiya can understand Keshi Ghat. So Krishna is making them understand that we will meet today Keshav Kund. This is the indications when how lover and beloved will meet each other. So this is the indications. That is just called Krishna is putting his hand on his head and on the hair. So it means he is saying that oh, we will meet. So Radha Pakshi Gopi can understand that Krishna would like to meet us on Keshav Kunda. So today our Pran Priyatam Govind will meet at Keshav Kunda. Sometimes Krishna took a beautiful green leaves and he's rounding that. So at the time seeing that, so Pakshi Gopiyas of Radhaji understand that Krishna is going to meet us Harit Kunda. So Krishna is going to meet with us at Harit Kunda because there is a green leaves in his hand. So before going to Makevari, so there is a Harit Kunda. You maybe have you seen there. This is called Harit Kunda. At the time of Prakat Leela of Radha Govinda, there are many kinds of beautiful kunjas. Yogamaya arranged that. So that's why they understand that Govind will meet us with at Harit Kunda. So Radha and other gopis, they are waiting there for in the Harit Kunda and Radha Kunda, Harit Kunda and Keshav Kunda. When Govind, when Krishna is going to meet with the gopis, so Chandravali and the Sakhis got to know that how you can hide. So Chandravali and other Sakhis, so Chandravali Sakhi sides Padma. So on the way of Krishna, they stop the way of Krishna. Hey Govind, where are you going now? So nearby my friend Chandravali is waiting for you. For a while, for just 2 minutes, you can go with her, go to meet her, give the darshan to her and meet. So in this way, Chandravali's friend Padma so by the beautiful tones and on the voice and so she lead to Govind to Chandravali Kunj, and here in the Keshav Kunj and Harit Kunj, so Pakshi and Radha's Gopiyas are waiting for Krishna. So what happened when my Pran Priyatam Govind will come? Why he is not coming? So seeing that delay for Krishna, seeing that Krishna is delaying, so in the Radha's and other gopis' minds there are so much bad thoughts are coming. So Radha and other gopis doesn't know that where Krishna has gone. Chandravali Kunj. Krishna has, so they are not aware that Krishna has went to Chandravali Kunj. So Radhaji and her gopis, all the friends of Radhaji are thinking, and that there are bad thoughts are coming in their mind that why Govind hasn't come yet. What is the cause? What is the reason behind? So there are many kinds of bad thoughts are coming in the mind. Unauspiciousness thought. Why Govind is not haven't come yet? What is he is not good today? His health is not good. Where has he went? What is the reason? So in this way, many kinds of unauspicious thought coming in their mind. Because if you have love too much, when love is too much high stage, so these kinds of thoughts comes in your mind spontaneously. So you cannot think auspicious, you always think unauspicious. But what is the reason? Maybe there is a throne put in the feet of Govind here in the Kunj of Chandravali. Krishna, he is talking and meeting to Chandravali, and while he was talking to her, so there was time was passes on when Krishna has so much desire. She has so much eager to meet with Radhaji, just like Radhaji has too much eagerness to meet with Krishna. In the same way, Krishna also has so much eagerness towards meeting to Radhaji. But Krishna has stuck with Chandravali here. And Chandravali is not leaving him. So after that, seeing the so much eagerness of Radhaji, so Radhaji's friend Rati Manjari everywhere finding Krishna. And when she came to near to Chandravali's Kunj, and she got to know, oh, Krishna is with Chandravali's Kunj today. At that time, all the Manjaris she is saying, so before the Chandravali's Kunj, outside the Chandravali's Kunj, they doesn't know that Krishna, they are pretending that they don't know that very Krishna. So that's what they are saying, like, hey Krishna, where are you? Where are you? In the brush there is a demons. So he's teasing everybody in the brush. And who's the sur that? Who's the demons? So the separation asur. So Radhaji's separation demons is that. Getting that? Hey Krishna, hey Govinda, Raksha, Mam. Hey Krishna, please save us. Where are you today? In the brush, there is a demons has come, which name is separation, and he is teasing to everybody. So in this way, when they were saying these words again and again, so Krishna got these words in their ear, and Krishna got to know. So there is not possibility to, there is a demon comes in the brush. Krishna no. So, which demons has come in the brush? So that is a separation of Radhaji. So meeting with the go means separation of demons is in the brush now. So how I can meet with Radhaji now? So Govind got to know. And at the time Govind, he is saying to Chandravali, hey Chandre, please listen to me. I was going for some work today. If my mother has told me some work, and your friend Padma took me here, but that work was not done, haven't completed. Maybe my mother is waiting for me, so I am going. So in this way, Chandravali, was giving
उस कुंज से
So Govind was giving so much sympathies to Chandravali, and after that he is coming out from the Kunja. When he come out, so he saw all the Sakhis, Rati Manjari, other Sakhis caught the Krishna and lead to Radhaji. So how dhurt you are very foolish, you are very cheater, because you have avoid refuses to my Radhaji, and you are in the Kunja of Chandravali this time. You are cheater. You are cheater.
कोर्ट में तुम्हारी क्या होगा?
So now there will be notice someone towards you.
इसी प्रकार अनेक प्रकार
So in this way many kinds of
सूचक है,
love indicated words, chastisements was
देखो परात्पर
saying to Govind, Paratpar Bhagwan Krishna,
भक्त के प्रेम में
how he is observed in the love of Bhakta, that just like he was behaving just like a normally Kami Purush.
सखियों के निवार को गावा
So he was pretending to the Sakhis like that.
अत्यंत निर्लज्ज
He was feeling so much ashamed,
स्त्री रूपिका
and he was so much deep and quiet that time, and listening all the words of the Sakhis.
राधे की कुंज के सन्निकट में आया।
So when he came to the near at the Kunj of Radhaji,
थोड़ी सी दूर दर्शन करके राधे कृष्ण में क्या हो जाता है?
and when seeing the so when taking the darshan of Krishna from far away, so Radhaji got man. How she was excited and eager to meeting Krishna. When Krishna came to near, so Radhaji got man.
राधा जी ने साधना से की अपने दरवाजा को
So Radhaji at once closed her door.
कुंज की द्वार को उन्होंने क्या किया?
So she has closed the door of the Kunja,
सिर को लॉकडाउन करके पूरा
just completely locked down.
अंदर में राधा जी से
And inside the room, Radhaji was crying too much.
फिर राधा जी की उनके गोविंद आए। राधा जी क्या कर?
So what Radhaji is saying that time? Sakhis are saying, "Oh, please open the door. Krishna has come." So Radha is saying, "I don't want to meet with this like a bad Krishna who is always telling a lie." Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
इतने समय उत्पन्न की लोग
So she was so much excited and eager to meet with Govind, but now Govind has come, so you have shut the door. Why you have shut the door? Because Krishna has.
ये धूर्त
So the Radhaji is saying he is cheater, he is foolish, he is fool. He always chastises to everybody. He always gives sorrow, pain to everybody.
राधा आदि ललिता
So Radha, Lalita, other Sakhis.
राधा जी को मान मनाने के लिए
So
बहुत प्रयास
so they tried so much to break the man of Radhaji.
देखो
Oh look,
प्राण से
your Pran Pitam Govind
कुंज के बाहर
is standing outside of the Kunj. How?
कान में ये हाथ के द्वारा कान पकड़ के
So he is holding his ear by his hand.
और तुम्हारे ऊपर क्षमा
So he's asking for forgiveness from before you. Please forgive him. He is begging before you.
किंतु राधा जी क्या
The Radhaji is saying,
ऐसे धूर्त
I don't want to he is the dhurt, he is fool, he is cheater. I don't have any kind of relationship with this person. Madhav Jada.
महाभगत कई तब हे माधव गोविंद
Hey Madhav Govind, go away from here.
तुम्हारे साथ हमारी कई
I don't have any relationship with you.
महाभगत कई तब तुम्हारी कई तब कपट बात को मैं सुनना नहीं।
I don't want to hear your cheating sentence, cheating words.
कृष्ण की धूर्त है कपट है छल है इसलिए कृष्ण कहने लगे राधे
So Krishna is saying, hey Radha, it's not my fault.
विलंब होने के कारण सुनो
Please listen the reason why I got late.
राधे ने तुम्हारी कारण
So Radha is saying, I don't want to listen the reason. You are cheater, you are kapti. I know everything. Still Krishna.
राधे सुनो तो मेरा
Hey Krishna, hey Radha, please listen to me.
मैं तो आ रहा था
I was coming
तुम्हारे साथ मिलने
for meeting you, but
किंतु तुम्हारी स्मरण करते करते
But-
मेरे हृदय में ऐसे
but remembering
तुम्हारे
you,
प्रति ऐसे प्रेम उत्पन्न हो गया और
I was
मैं
coming to meeting you, but what happened on the way? I was remembering you, so I was so much obsessed in your mind.
देखो कृष्ण कैसे डर है
क्या कह रहे हैं?
कृष्ण चंद्रावली के मुंजे में गए ये बात नहीं बता रहे
So I was remembering you so much. All my mind is obsessed in you. So what happens? I fall down on the ground. I got fainted.
करते करते
So when I
क्या हो
was
गया
मूर्छित हो गया, I got fainted. After remembering you. So I don't know how many times I was falling on the ground. So when my faintness breaked, so then I started running towards you. That's why I got late.
राधा जी बोली ये अच्छी
Radhaji
बात
said,
है।
"Oh, very nice.
छल कपट
You are
ये
cheater.
झूठ को जो है छुपाने के
So
लिए
you are hiding one
और
one one lie, and you are saying another 10 lie.
सच कोई बोलना नहीं चाहता,
So you don't want to tell truth anytime.
झूठ बोलना
You always speak a lie,
और वो झूठ को
and you are hiding that lie. You are telling so much lie.
झूठ बोलता है।
Another lie you are saying, telling.
देखो ये झूठ के छुपाने के लिए कितना साल झूठ बोलना पड़ता है।
For hiding one lie, you have to speak more and more lie.
जैसे आप तो पकड़ लेता ही
So, but whatever you say, the judge can caught you.
बात आगे वो
If you say something here and there, still the judge can caught you.
है तुम्हारे झूठ
पकड़ लेंगे. They will caught your lie.
फिर राधा जी बोली
That's
अच्छा
why Radha is saying,
तो मुझे चिंता नहीं करते करते
"Oh, acha. So you were remembering me, and so you were so much eager and obsessed in my love. So you got fainted. Oh, wow, God, very nice, very nice story."
तुम्हारी माथे पर सिंदूर की
Okay, tell me one thing. Then why there is a sindoor on your forehead?
ये सिंदूर की चिन्ह दिखाई
Oh, so I can see the sign of sindoor on your forehead. The Krishna said, "Hey Radhe, it's not the sindoor.
ये जमुना तट की लाल मिट्टियां
This is the red sand of bank of Yamuna, where I fall down. This is the sand of Yamuna, so red sand of Yamuna, where I fall down."
छल कपट
So Radha is saying, "Oh, dur to chal kapti.
है अब तक मुझे
How long you will cheat me?"
है लाल दिखाते हो राधे
Here you are saying, "Radhe,
मेरे जैसे प्राण
you are my beloved, you are my pran priyatam."
हमारे निर्वतन संगम सुधार विभूति सको श्यामा दुर्जय प्रिय श्रृंखला संविष्ट प्रतिजात साधना तुम्हारी छल कपट सब
I know you all cheating propensity. Hey Radhe,
कृष्ण क्या
Krishna is saying, "Hey Radhe,
मैं तुम्हारे प्रेम के लिए चिरऋणी
I am the so much depthful of your love.
मेरे जैसे प्रेम को नाम
So the love you have with me, towards me, Namuto Navavishwi, nobody can do love like this. So if I get the age of Brahma and other devtas, and if I serve your lotus feet, still I cannot be free from your debt."
यही तुम्हारी है छल कपट सिंदूर कहाँ से आया
So the Radha is saying, where this sindoor is coming from.
लाल मिट्टी है
So he said, "No, this is not the sindoor. This is the red sand at the bank of Yamuna."
तुम्हारी होठों में
Okay, tell me one thing.
और कपाल पर
On your lips and the cheeks,
कहाँ से आया
where what this nail signs is coming from.
ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं
Where is this coming from? Okay,
हल्का हल्का लाल दिखाएंगे
it is little bit reddish. Red line is here. Where this nail signs is coming from? On your lips and cheeks.
ये तो बता
Tell me.
तो गोविंद कहने
The Govind saying, "Hey Radhe,
नहीं
no,
नाखून के कदम
this is not the nail sign.
है देखो
Look,
जब मैं गिर गया ना
when I fall down,
छोटे छोटे
so there was
कांटा
little bit thorns are there.
है कांटे के कांटा लग गया
So this is the sign of thorns.
कांटे से
So there are many kinds of thorns in the brush.
और एक प्रकार कांटे ऐसे ही होते हैं है लग जाए फिर थोड़ा छुड़ाना जो बहुत कठिन है
So one kinds of thorns are there when it comes in your body. So it's really hard to take out.
हैं? बहुत अच्छा
So Radha is saying,
और कपाट
"Jhut kapti, oh you are liar."
हमारे सभी तक कौन कहाँ से आ रही साक्षी है
So
पूछो रूपा मंदिर
so our Roop, you can ask to our Roop Manjari. She is the evidence.
क्या था कहाँ से
So where are you coming from? And she is coming. You're taking you from
अरे इतने छल कपट है
from where? So you are very liar.
ये हाथ में पकड़ लिया
We have caught it you red-handed.
तब भी तुम
Still you are lying.
सच नहीं बोलते
Still you are not telling the truth.
बताओ
Tell me.
ये रत्न मंदिर कौन गई
So Rati Manjari, Roop Manjari, from where they caught you?
चंद्रावली कुंज से
They have
बाहर
caught
होके
you.
निकल
They have
गए।
caught you from the Chandravali's Kunj,
और वहीं से तुमको पकड़ने के लायक
and
नहीं
they
थे।
caught you from there.
कृष्ण देखा तो
And Krishna saw,
भाई यहाँ
oh,
पर दो, एक एक नहीं दो क्या है?
evidence.
गवाही गवाही क्या हुए? गवाही जो है और क्या?
There are two evidence or witness.
तथापि जो है
Rupi Rati Manjari and Rupa Manjari. Still Krishna was not, as you thinking. What to say? He was not. Krishna doesn't want to accept that. No, that doesn't want to accept. He was laughing and joking at that time. He is so much expert in talking. He's very clever. He can make the sentence. He can make the things from here to another place. Like so, he can convert the truth in the lie and lie into the truth. So he can, turn the darkness into the sunshine and sunshine into the darkness. But he is totally lying. He's a liar. In this way, Krishna is Dhir Lalit Nayak. He all the symptoms in he have all these kinds of symptoms. He is Parihaspatu. Navakarunya. These all are the symptoms of Dhir Lalit Nayak. We always be like a new boy, very young. So hearing this kinds of sentence from Radhaji, he said, "Oh, I don't have a relationship with you anymore. Go from here. You are Chalkapti Dhurt." Krishna again and again, holding his ears with the hands and bow down to the feet of the Radharani, because so what to speak now, because Rup Manjari and Rati Manjari said to me that you are from Chandravali's Kunj. So Krishna is saying again and again, he was bowing his head to into the feet of Radhaji. But Radhaji is saying, go away from here. Lalita and other Sakhis. So seeing the Akulta Vyakulta, so much eagerness and humbleness of Krishna, so they are praying to Radhe, hey Radhe, forgive him. Radha is saying, no, Radhaji has too much man today, which cannot be break. She is so much man today, so which cannot be break. Lalita and Visakha, other Sakhis, so pen. Not working. So Radhaji has the man which cannot be break. So Lalita and other Sakhis. So Lalita and Sakhi is thinking, oh, Radhaji will not be, you cannot break the man of Radhaji today, because she is so much angry today. So at that time, Lalita and Vishakha and other Sakhis give the sympathy to Krishna. Oh Krishna, today you go today. When she will be peaceful, when she will be calm and keep, so then you can come back. Then we will meet you. Then Krishna saw. So now there is no possibility to meet with Radhaji today. So Krishna is going out from that kunja. And look, when Krishna was going out from that kunja, little bit far, so Radhaji's feelings was changed. Man was break. So Radhaji's man was break that time, bhang. So reducing. So man was reducing that time. And Radhaji saw that my Pran Priyatam Govind is going. he is going now very, he is so much
और
unhappy.
जब गोविंद चले गए,
And when Govind was going, so Radhaji started crying. Radhaji was crying that time.
ललिता विशाखा कहने लगी,
And Lalita Vishaka said, Right, Radha, why are you crying?
और उस समय
At that time, Radhaji is saying,
हमारी प्राण का गोविंद तो कहाँ है?
Where is my Prana Govinda?
उनके बिना मैं शरीर कैसे प्राण?
Without him, how can I get this body? I cannot keep this body without him.
गोविंद तो मेरे साथ
Hey Lalite,
है कि नहीं?
our Pran Govind will not be with me again.
ऐसे करके राधे
So in this way, Radhaji was saying so much humble words. At that time, Lalita Devi saying,
देखो राधे,
Hey Radhe,
मैं तुमसे कितने
I told you so often, I told you so many times, make you understand. Oh, please open the door.
आज उनकी क्षमा करो,
Please forgive him.
किंतु तुम
But you were not forgiving him.
हैं? अरे देखो सबकी क्षमा क्यों होता है?
Everybody has a forgiveness. Everybody has a right to get forgive, but you didn't forgive him.
इसलिए वो बेचारा
That's why
निराश होकर
he was so much unhappy and went away from here.
उस समय राधा जी कहते,
At the time, Radhaji saying,
अरे ऐसे जीवन भरी तारी कहना जैसे बिली बंगला कीर्तन में
this is the Bangla Kirtan
पदावली करते
in the Vaishnava Padavali saying,
श्री हरि
Shri Hari
कृष्ण
Krishna,
मेरी कुंज में आए,
he came to Vaikunj.
क्यों जाने दिया?
Why you have left him? Why?
राधा जी कह रही है,
Radhaji is saying, Hey Lalita Vishakhe,
उत्तम और प्राणी
you are my Pran Priyatam Sakhi. You are my very dearest and dearest Sakhis. Why you have gone him?
ललिता कहने लगी, देखो तुमने
Lalita is
मुझे
saying,
समझाया,
I told you so many times,
किंतु तुमने तो कुछ
but you didn't understand. You had so much man that time. So you are stuck on your man. What to do now?
और तो ललिता
Then Lalita is saying,
राधा जी का
Radhaji is saying,
अरे कुंज के बाहर उसने खड़े कर
Are you can take him, stand out at the Kunja.
रवाली भैया रहित कुंज गदाई, अरे बाहर में कुंज के थोड़ी दूर,
Are if so far, little bit far from the Kunja, you can make him like a security guard. He can stand there.
जाने क्यों गए?
Why didn't you leave him to go in this way? Radha or Govinda, these all kinds of leelas was going on in the transcendental Golok Vrindavan. So how many kinds of Priya Priyatam leelas was going on? So they have so much eagerness towards meeting each other. In the transcendental Golok Vrindavan, there was very nice leela was going on. So what I mean to say, our Vishwanath Chakrapad is Rasik Acharya Prabal Vishwanath Chakrapatipad. Why this word is saying, just like Priya Priyatam, beloved and beloved, so much excited to and eager to meet each other, as well as they present so many kinds of unhappiness and sorrow, and they think too much bad, they think so much unauspicious things. So in this shlok Vrittasur is indicating the Parikatya bhav of gopis and Krishna. So that is why it is saying the Prabal Utkantha. This is the deepest, the highest eagerness. So that's why Radhaji and Gopis Prema are saying towards Krishna is Utkantha Mai Prem. Radha and another Gopis Prem is Utkantha Mai Prem. There is another name, it is Utkantha Mai Prem. So we have already told you about this. One is Vishramba Prem, so Vaishram, and other Sakhas Prem is Vishramba Prem.
घनिष्ठ होने के नाते
so much deep.
ये कहा जाता है विश्रम्भ प्रेम।
They have so much deep love with Krishna. That's why it is called Vishramba Prem.
तीसरी जो प्रेम होता है उसी कहा जाता है
Subal Saudam, Sakhya Bhav,
कौन सा प्रेम कहा जाता
Utkantamay Prem.
है? हाँ?
Utkantamay?
विवेक शून्य प्रेम।
विवेक शून्य प्रेम।
विवेक शून्य प्रेम। विवेक माने
विवेक जो तो पेड़ पौधों का जो होता है।
उत्कंठामयी प्रेम,
उत्कंठामय प्रेम, विश्रम प्रेम, विवेक शून्य,
विवेक शून्य प्रेम।
all the जीव जंतुस, animals वगैरह others प्रेम्स। Oh,
दो महीने में इस तरह की कई
so I am repeating this katha again and again. It's true you have forgotten. Oh, oh Bhakta, pen.
दो बार विकास होगा।
I give you 2 pens. Can you have one?
Oh,
Give me one.
पहले का उत्कंठामयी बच्चों के प्रेम
first is Utkantamay. The gopis prem is Utkantamay prem.
उत्कंठामयी प्रेम की सबल रूप में राधा जी में विराजमान।
So this Utkantamay prem is manifest in the topmost stage of in Radha ji.
और दूसरी सखा में जो प्रेम
And the Sakha's prem, the Sakha's friends is Vishramba prem.
अत्यंत घनिष्ठ प्रेम।
So they have so much love.
होने के नाते सोचते हैं,
This is too much deeper.
वृंदावन छोड़ कर
So they have so much deep love. So they think that Krishna haven't gone from Vrindavan. Krishna will come back, and Krishna used to go for cow grazing with us. So we will go with him.
कभी-कभी सखा लोग
Sometimes these sakhas, the friends,
मां जसदा के नंद महाराज के आंगन में आकर के
they used to come to the courtyard of Nand Maharaj.
कभी नींद से देर से
Sometimes Krishna wake up from in the sleep so late.
सखा आदि लोग जो है
So all the friends of
बछड़ा आदि लेकर के नंद महाराज के
all the
आंगन में जो है
friends of the Krishna they assemble in the courtyard at the home of Nanda Maharaj. So Govind hasn't wake up,
उस समय कृष्ण कभी-कभी क्या करते हैं
and what Krishna do at that time, they got up too late.
सखा लोग उठते
So Sakhas was so much eager, excited.
अत्यंत गए विश्राम भर घनिष्ठ प्रेम का
That love is called Vishramba Prem, the Ghanishta, the very very Ghanishta, the deepest love. When Krishna was going from Vrindavan to
गाँव के जो विरह जो है कभी कोई इस प्रकार बोलते हैं कृष्ण वृंदावन में है
so the Sakha's love is called. So Sakha's thinking that Krishna is in Vrindavan, Krishna will come back. Maybe he is coming for cow grazing. Now we are walking. Now we are moving from here.
अत्यंत घनिष्ठ प्रेम होने के नाते प्रभु
So they have so much love, deep love with Krishna. So that's why they don't think that Krishna has gone from Vrindavan. Vivek Shunya Prem. Third one. Vivek Shunya. Third one is Vivek Shunya Prem.
विवेक विवेक माने विचार
Vivek means the vichar, views.
ये कृष्ण वृंदावन
That
में है
Krishna is in Vrindavan or Mathura. He has gone to all the Pashu Pakshis and animals have this.
पत्ता पर एक वन में नहीं जा रहे
These kinds of Vivek Shunya love, because they know that Krishna doesn't come in one forest every day.
मंदिर मठ में जाते हैं कभी ताल पर में चले जाते हैं
Sometimes he is Madhukant, sometimes Dwaripuri.
तो वैसे मतलब वृंदावन के
So all that Pashu, Pakshi and the trees of the Vrindavan, they are thinking maybe Krishna has, this is called the Vivek Shunya Prem, because they are thinking that Krishna is not here today, maybe he will come. He is in another forest today.
आते हैं
Krishna will come back.
कृष्ण
Krishna will come back. Will be here very soon. That's why Sukdev Goswami Pad is writing here. Vanam Vanantare. Krishna sometimes goes from one forest to another forest for cow grazing. It's not possible. He is going use every day. Vandirvan. He is going to either Vrindavan, Talvan. So all the animals and the animals of the forest was thinking maybe Krishna is coming because maybe he is in another forest today. When Krishna used to from one forest to another forest, so the animals of that forest feel so much separation. They got fainted, and so that's why they are so much eager for meeting Krishna.
विवेक काम नहीं करता।
Sometimes their viveks, their mind is not working. That is why this is called the Vivek Shunya Prem. They were thinking that Krishna is coming. In fact, Krishna where is? He has went from Vrindavan to Mathura.
कभी-कभी सखियों में भी ऐसे एक उत्पन्न प्रेम उत्पन्न होता है।
Sometimes these sakhis have this kinds of love. So what to tell about
प्रेम में जब ये गोपियां डूब जाती हैं,
when the gopi are drawn into the feelings of Gopi Krishna, and one sakhi is saying to another sakhi and giving the sympathy to her.
बोले कृष्ण वृंदावन से मथुरा जाने के समय क्या कहे थे?
What Krishna said from when he was going from Vrindavan to Mathura, I will be back.
आज तो मैं जा रहा हूँ,
Today I am going,
काल कंस को वध करके परसों
but after killing the Kansa I will be back day after tomorrow. He said this. In the shlok it was saying that I am going today, but day after tomorrow I will be back after killing Kansa.
मथुरा जाने से पहले गोपियों की यही सांत्वना है।
He was giving this kinds of sympathy. Hey Gopi,
चिंता तू
why are you worrying?
थोड़ा एक दिन तो धैर्य धारण कर।
Just take patience for one day only.
साथ मैं मिल रहा हूँ।
I am meeting today with you.
आज के दिन तो बीत गया।
So this is today has been gone away.
दिन केवल तुम्हें
Tomorrow you have to wait only.
काम मैं करूँगी बस।
So after killing
परसों मानस
killing tomorrow Kans, and the day after tomorrow in the morning I will be there. It's just suppose that I have come.
कितने समय लगता है?
How much time?
दिन का है केवल।
Just only one day you have to wait.
है? इसे कहते हैं परसों आज समय की इधर to come। एक दिन केवल है।
Only one day. Only one day.
है?
Only one day you have to wait.
जब एक
I will be back.
बड़ी सांत्वना है।
So this kinds of sympathy. The one gopi is saying sympathy to another gopi,
परसों क्या चीज़ है?
and another gopi is thinking, what is parso?
परसों कहते हैं,
What is parso? Day after tomorrow.
तब वो सखी समझाती है।
Then Sakhi is making them understand that today.
एक दिन है।
Today is one day,
फिर दूसरे दिन
and then
तीसरे दिन की
and,
बात होता है क्या?
and another is second day, and the third day is called parso, the day after tomorrow. So दूसरे दिन और तीसरे दिन, how we can count this? Please tell us how we can count this.
आज तो दिन एक दिन हो गया।
Today one day has passed.
इसके बाद तीन तीसरी क्या होता है? 3 दिन होता है। परसों 3 दिन होता है। तो 3 कैसे गिना जाए?
So how we can count 3?
सखियां जो बात
Sometimes Sakhis got mad. They are saying like this.
क्या गोविंद
Hey Govind,
हमारे कुंज में काल आए।
Govind will come back to our kunj. Will come in our kunj tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
आज नहीं परसों।
Not today.
सुनते कहाँ ना मानो कृष्ण क्या कहा?
Krishna told that I will be back day after tomorrow. In the morning I will be back.
और पढ़ाई करते समझते समझे क्या? हमारी कुंज में। क्या है हमारी कुंज में काल? आज नहीं।
So they will be come back in our kunj tomorrow.
अरे कितने परसों तो हो गया?
Arey, there are so many parso has been gone out. When he will come back?
परसों कब है?
When day after tomorrow. So these all they are saying like this, and they got fainted.
इस वक्त वृंदावन के अपराधी पर
So these all are the transcendental leelas of Prakriti Vrindavan. जय बोलो समत कुंठा की जय, जय जय श्री राधे. चलो भैया आरती करो. थैंक यू. ओ लो भैया, ओ भैया. सेवन जय हो. बोलो समत उत्कंठा की जय. बोलो विवेक शून्य उत्कंठा की जय. उत्कंठा मई लव की जय. उत्कंठा मई प्रेम की जय. है ना? Three kinds of love. Three kinds of love. Yeah, 3 kinds of उत्कंठा मई. Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. You can come on the Hindi page if you want to listen Tulsi Puja. Thank you for tolerating me, everybody. Please forgive me. Hare Krishna. Okay, you can come on Hindi page for hearing this kirtan. Hare Krishna. Radha Kanti Didi ki jai. Joseph Prabhu ki jai. Kuch Dhingra Prabhu ji ki jai. All the viewers and listeners, jai ho. Hari bol.